Hi guys, today I'm showing you the perfect way to harvest turnips so they're crisp, sweet and ready for your kitchen. Turnips are usually ready about 5 to 8 weeks after planting, and a good rule of thumb is to harvest when the root is about the size of a tennis ball. If you leave it too long, they can turn woody and lose flavor. To harvest, loosen the soil gently around the root with your hand or a garden fork, and just give the turnip a gentle twist and pull. I normally just pull it like that and see how easily it comes out. Very easily. The bonus is you can eat the greens too. You cut them off and use them in soups or stir fries. Nothing goes to waste. See? And that is it. Fresh turnips straight from the garden. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy harvesting!